Okay, now we're going to measure neck flexion extension range of motion using a goniometer. The start position is going to be at 90 degrees geometry, but remember this is 0 degrees goniometry. And if you're looking at your goniometer, you're going to look at the red arrow. And the red arrow is going to point at the red inside number, which is going to be 0. If you look at the outside number, it's going to be 90. But the inside number is going to be a red 0, and that's where you start. The axis of the goniometer is going to go over the external auditory meatus. The stationary arm is going to be going straight down perpendicular to the ground. Remember to hold the goniometer at the end here, okay? And if you need to get down level so that you can see the alignment, that's fine. The movable arm is going to be parallel to the tip of the nose. And so would you say we're starting at 0 and you want to make sure everything is at 0, can you please look down? And you're going to have the external auditory meatus is going to move a little bit because the head is going to tilt forward. So you do have to kind of travel with it. And the norm is going to be 45. And we are at 40. So can you look down just a little bit more? Okay, and if you ask them to move, then you're within normal limits, 0 to 45. To do extension, everything is the same. Can you go back up to midline? And head down just a little bit. There you go. And so now everything is the same. The axis is on the external auditory meatus. The stationary arm is perpendicular to the ground. The movable arm is going to be pointing at the nose. Now can you look up toward the ceiling? And we have much more than 45 degrees of neck extension. We actually go beyond the red numbers. So we're actually at around 60 degrees. So very good neck extension. So both active and range of motion for both flexion and extension are 45, so we don't have to do passive range of motion.